And we're starting to see here that we're starting to build up a texture, a kind of a pattern with our V's and our bumps. And we're going to take that into our third stitch, which isn't necessarily a rib stitch, but it uses the same principles. So this first knit one, purl one is really elastic. This one, not so much, less useful for a cuff. The third stitch doesn't really have that elasticity in it, but it still uses that same repeat, knit one, purl one. Okay, so we're going to go back to our knit one, purl one, repeat. And this is called moss stitch. Creates a really lovely texture in your fabric. Okay, so we're going to finish the row, knit one, purl one. Now, when we've turned before, we've always knit as we find. So this was a purl stitch on the row in front, so we would knit it to put the bump at the back. But with the moss stitch, we're going to do the exact opposite. So on this wrong side, we're going to do the exact opposite. We're going to purl the knits and knit the purls. So the pattern on this side goes purl one, knit one, purl one, knit one. And I'm just going to do a few rows of this so you can see the pattern. There. So that's our first really simple textured knit stitch. It simply is knit one, purl one. So that's moss stitch. Thanks ever so much for watching, and I hope you'll join me in another Wolf Makes knitting tutorial.